What? Almost lose the freaking camera. I got it all rigged out. Not really rigged out. Got all the heavy stuff back on it. It's kind of crap sometimes because I don't want all of it on there, but then I take the camera out and all of a sudden you see something and then you want to record. Because, you know, I'm not just doing the stills, I want to do the video part. Then you don't have the mic, so it's a shotgun mic, so audio ends up not sucking, but, you know, I mean, the mics on the R7 and the 1DX are pretty good, but, you know, I mean, they pick up everything because they're, well, not directional. So, not a directional mic. I forgot the word for them now, but yeah. All right, didn't really care that I was here, but just phone video. Black squirrel. All right, let's cross the bridge. I'm back on. Let's go to 1X. I was wondering why that was so tight like that. It's because I'm on same view again. Not same view, but All right, so I'm gonna call it a video. Got some mallard ducks, gray red squirrel, black squirrel. Slap that together. Get a little small short video out. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and hammer that thumbs up button. And as always, enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one.